Hey there, my friend Leslie and I just had an amazing workshop talking all about how to grow and scale a business without being dependent on social media. And one of the key components that we touched on, one of the foundational pieces, was how important it is to be clear on your avatar, your client, your market, your perfect customer, and how to always have your finger on the pulse because the market is always changing, the world is changing, platforms are changing, and so their needs are changing, right? Just as technology is constantly evolving, your client is evolving, and their needs and their frustrations and their challenges are also changing and evolving. So it's really important to know exactly how to solve a problem for them because something that was frustrating them a year ago may not be as frustrating for them now. Maybe, last year they couldn't figure out how to be on Zoom and do some tech, and now this year they figured that out because the whole world has, right? So needs are constantly changing. So having your finger on the pulse and having a really close connection to your client is what's actually going to help you connect with them faster, easier, and provide value and results for them easier too, which will then can lead to referrals and obviously growing your business even more. But again, make sure you're clear on what your ideal customer is needing you to solve and support them with.